Hello student. Today we are going to start with the 46th problem, that is circular lamina or a plate. In generally a circle is what is of having only the diameter. You can say a diameter. This is horizontal, this is vertical diameter. Okay. We generally say a circular lamina or plate of having a diameter 50 mm. Okay. There is no edges. Generally we say a starting points or a end point of the radius, so there is no edges resting on HP on a point A is what a starting point, I can say plane. Okay, the plane or the lamina is inclined at 45 degree to HP. That means a circular plate or a circular lamina is how much? 45 degree to HP. HP means VP and theta. And the top view dia 60 degree to VP. VP means HP. HP means phi. This, as in the you say triangle, you say it as a median. In a square you say it as a diagonal, right? In a pentagon you say perpendicular bisectors. Like that, in a solid, in the circular we say it as a diameter. Okay, but here what he has given, top view of a diameter. That means top view is nothing but appears to be. If he has not given a top view, then you are going to take the beta angle. So he has given a top view, so that you are not going to consider the beta angle. I will show you how to do this problem. First, draw a circle, xy. You all know this, x and y. Okay, take a circle. Right. What you have to do, I will tell you first. 1 and 2, 90 degree to each other. If you take these 4 points only, see what happens. I will just show without naming. Right, this one end, this one end, this one end. That means 4 ends are there. If you draw here, what it will come? Only a circle, straight line comes. That's why generally for a circle we will divide it into a 6 or 8 parts. Now this is what? 45 45. Okay, to this once again here 45 45. I will just extend this one downside like this. Right, now I will name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. If you want, still you can divide it into a equal number of parts. Like this. This is what? Your A dash. Right. From here it will be B dash. Take aram se. Don't make it hurry worry. C dash. Like this I will move. This is a D dash. E dash. From here F dash. Here G dash. Here H dash. Okay, so your HGF is in the bracket. HGF in the bracket. Make this one dark. And how much he said? The angle is 45 degree VP. So what I will do? I will take a line of 45 degree. Rest is same. Measure from here to here. This is A dash. This is E dash. Okay, measure from here to here. That is B dash and H dash. From here to here, that is center. That is G dash. Sorry, C dash and G dash. Okay, C and G. C and G. D and F. Okay, this is what? D dash and F dash. F dash in the bracket. G is in the bracket and H is in the bracket. Make this one dark. Now take downside. A. Okay, don't be hurry worry please. Make it aram se. B. From here B. Okay, next is C. Where is C? C is here. C. Okay, now D. This will be what? Your D. Okay, and once again E. This is E. This will be F. This will be what? G. See, if you see, this will be like a ellipse. It will in the form of a ellipse. Okay, this is H. This is H. This is H. So what you have to do? Draw it smoothly. Draw it smoothly like this. Don't draw like this, please. Don't draw like this. Don't put a sharp corners, right? Don't put sharp corners. This is wrong way. Just draw a like this. It should like be a ellipse. Okay, this is join like this. This will be ellipse. Now what he said, top view means up has to be 60 degree to VP. Take like this or like this. Let me take this 60 degree. What is making a 60 degree? This AE, टॉप व्यू में परपेंडिकुलर जो है वो AE is making a 60 degree. You put it like this or you put it like this. This side A, this side E. I will show you easy method of transferring this here. Okay, now what I will do, now once I got the AE, I will see this one point, this one point, this one point. Okay, A to this side I will measure and I will put A to this point I will measure, A to this point, and A to this point I will measure, A to this point. Okay, why I am measuring this one? Now you can very easily draw a 90 degree lines to this, like this, 90 degree to this. Then once you got point, this you can easily make H and B. When you turn this, this will be H, this will be B. I hope you are getting. Okay, when it is center, you can measure G and C. From here, this will be G and this will be C. And from here, F and D. F and D. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, now you can easily draw like this. Or else what you can do, A to E, A to E, A to H, A to H, E to H. Okay, A to H, E to H, A to कहाँ गया, A to H, E to H, like by knowing 2 points and transferring. And please see here, this is important. A point, ठीक है, B point, right, C point, C point, ठीक है, D point. What happens here, the points will come like this only. I am not going to show this completely, just I will show here. What you have to do, just you join. It may or it may not be in a proper way. Just join A, B, C, D, E, F. There is nothing to be do perfect. Just you join the curve. How it has to come, just you join the points. That's all.